Good morning. Let's see the next problem. A workman wages for a guaranteed 44 hours a week is rupees 0.75 per hour. The estimated time to produce one article is 30 minutes and under incentive plan, the time allowed is increased by 20%. During a week, a worker is produced 100 articles. So workman is guaranteed means he is working for 40 hours, 44 hours and the rate per hour will be 0.75 per hour. The estimated time to produce one article here, estimated time is nothing but standard time allowed. They will mention for one article, but within a week we are producing 100 articles. It means you have to calculate the standard time allowed for 100 articles. So using this information, calculate the standard time allowed, calculate the wages under time rate system, Halsey system, Rowan system. So time rate system is equals to under time rate system, earnings is equals to hours worked into rate per hour. Number of hours guaranteed by the worker or hours worked by the worker is 44 hours. The rate per hour will be 0.75. So 44 into 0.75 you will get 33. The next method is under Halsey plan. Earnings is equals to number of hours worked or time taken by the employee into rate per hour plus half of time saved into rate per hour. So number of hours worked will be 44 into 0.75 plus half of time saved. So first you need to calculate time saved. How you will calculate time saved? Standard time allowed minus time taken. Here they have not mentioned standard time allowed for all the 100 articles. So first you need to calculate the standard time. For one article, we require 30 minutes and also there is an increase in the time allowed of 20%. So calculate 30 into 20%, you will get 6 minutes. So for producing one article, normally we require 36 minutes. For producing 100 articles, 36 minutes into 100, it will be 3600 minutes. So convert this into hour, 3600 divided by 60 minutes, you will get 60 hours. So this is the standard time allowed. First you need to calculate the minutes for one article, then the same minutes will be multiplied for number of articles produced in a week. Here the number of articles produced in a week is 100 articles. So for producing one article, it will take 36 minutes. For producing 100 articles, 36 minutes into 100, it will be 3600 minutes. So we need standard time allowed in a hour. So that's why we will divide this by 60 minutes. You will get standard time allowed will be 60 hours. So now calculate the time saved. Standard time allowed is, our time allowed is 60. 44 is the time taken. So 60 minus 44, you will get 16 hours. Now apply the formula. Number of hours worked will be 44. Rate per hour will be 0.75 plus half of time saved is 60 into rate per hour is 0.75. So 44 into 0.75 you will get 33. 16 into 0.75 you will get 12. Half of 12 means 6. So 33 plus 6, 39. The next is Rowan plan. Earnings is equals to hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved divided by time allowed into hours worked into rate per hour. Number of hours worked will be 44 hours. Rate per hour will be 0.75 plus time saved we have calculated it as 16 divided by standard time allowed is 60 hours into hours worked will be 44 into rate per hour is 0.75. So 44 into 0.75 we will get 33. 16 divided by 60, 0.267. 44 into 0.75, 33. So 33 plus 0.267 into 33 you will get 8.8. 33 plus 8.8 it will be 41.80. Let's see the next problem. A workman wages for a guaranteed 48 hours a week is 25 per hour. The estimated time to produce one article is 20 minutes and under incentive plan, the time allowed is increased by 80%. During a week, a worker produced 100 articles. Calculate the wages under time rate system, Halsey system, Rowan system. So here they have given worker is taking 48 hours in a week and the rate per hour will be 25 hours and They have mentioned estimated time, that is standard time allowed for one article is 20 minutes, but they are producing 100 articles in a week. So you need to calculate standard time allowed for 100 articles. Calculate the wages under time rate system, Halsey system and Rowan system. So time rate system is equals to earnings is equals to hours worked into rate per hour. How many hours? 48 hours. Rate per hour is 25. So 48 into 25 you will get rupees 1200. And under Halsey plan, earnings is equals to number of hours worked or time taken by the employee into rate per hour plus half of time saved into rate per hour. So number of hours worked will be 48 into rate per hour is 25 plus half of time saved you need to calculate. So in order to calculate time saved, we require standard time allowed or time allowed minus time taken. Here they have not mentioned standard time allowed for 100 articles. First we need to calculate time allowed. For one article, it requires 20 minutes, and there is an increase in the time allowed, that is 80%. So 20 into 80%, you will get 16 minutes. So for producing one article, it requires 20 plus 16, that is 36 minutes. If it is for 100 articles, 36 into 100, it will be 3600 minutes. So convert the 3600 minutes into hours. 3600 divided by 60 minutes, you will get 60 hours as the standard time allowed. Now calculate time saved. Time allowed is 60 hours minus time taken by the employee is 48. So time saved is 12 hours. So hours worked is 48 hours. Rate per hour will be 25 hours plus half of time saved we have calculated is 12 into rate per hour is 25. 48 into 25 is 1200. 12 into 25 is 300. So half of 300 is 150. 1200 plus 150 is 1350. The next is under Rowan plan. Earnings is equals to hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved divided by standard time allowed into hours worked into rate per hour. So number of hours worked will be 48 hours into rate per hour is 25 plus 12 is the time saved we have calculated and 60 is the standard time allowed. Hours worked will be 48 into rate per hour is 25. So 48 into 25, 1200. 12 divided by 60, 0.2. 48 into 25, 1200. So 1200 plus 0.2 into 1200, 240. So 1200 plus 240, it will be 1440. The next problem is, from the following particulars, calculate the earnings under straight piece rate system, differential piece rate system, Halsey bonus plan, that is 50% of sharing. Halsey plan is also known as 50 is to 50 plan or 50% of sharing. Why means bonus will be taken 50% of time saved by the worker. Rowan premium scheme. Weekly working hours of the employee is 40 hours. Piece rate per piece. It means rate per unit of each piece will be 6 rupees. Hourly rate of wages is 15. Rate per hour will be 15. Normal time taken per piece is 20 minutes. So here they have given normal time. It means standard time, time allowed. For one piece they have mentioned it as 20 minutes. Actually we are producing 150 pieces. It means you need to calculate standard time allowed for 150 pieces. Normal output per week is 120 pieces. Actual output of the worker per week is 150 pieces. Differential rate, 80% of piece rate for the output below the normal output. You need to consider 80% as an efficiency percentage if the actual output is below the normal output, and consider 120% of piece rate for the output above the normal output. See now, here the normal output is 120 pieces, actual output is 150 pieces. Whether you need to apply 80% or 120%, see, if actual output is more, you need to apply 120%. If actual output is less, you need to apply 80%. Here the actual output is more. 150 pieces will be more than the 120 pieces, so you need to consider 120%. The first method is under straight piece rate system, calculation of earnings under straight piece rate system. It is also known as piece rate system. Earnings is equals to number of units produced into rate per unit. Number of units produced means actual output or actual production units produced by the worker is 150 pieces. Rate per unit, piece rate per piece will be they have mentioned as 6. So 150 into 6 you will get 900. The next is under Taylor differential piece rate system. The formula is earnings is equals to number of units produced into rate per unit into percentage of efficiency. This is nothing but differential rate per unit. So number of units produced is 150 pieces, rate per unit is 6, and I told normal output is 120 pieces, actual output will be 150 pieces. So actual output is more than the normal output. So we are considering 120% as a percentage of efficiency. So 150 into 6 into 120% if you have calculated, you will get 1080. Under Halsey plan, earnings is equals to number of hours worked into rate per hour plus half of time saved into rate per hour. So hours worked will be 40 hours and weekly working hours they will mention it as 40 hours and the rate per hour they will mention weekly working hours is 40 and hourly rate of wages rate per hour will be 15 plus half of time saved. You need to calculate time saved. How you will calculate time saved? Time allowed minus time taken. So we don't know what is the standard time allowed for all the 150 articles. First calculate the standard time. Calculation of standard time or time allowed. For one piece it requires 20 minutes. First calculate for 1 hour how many articles will be produced. So within 1 hour 60 minutes divided by 20 minutes we will produce 3 articles. So one for 150 articles divided by 3 articles it requires 50 hours. So we have calculated standard time as 50 hours. So time saved is equals to 50 minus time taken is 40. It will be 10 hours. 40 hours is the hours work into rate per hour is 15 plus half of time saved is 10 per hour into rate per hour is 15. 40 into 15 you will get 600 plus 10 into 15 150. Half of 15 is half of 150 is 75. So 600 plus 75 you will get 675. Under Rowan plan, earnings is equals to number of hours worked or time taken by the employee into rate per hour plus time saved divided by time allowed into hours worked into rate per hour. Hours worked by the employee is 40 hours, rate per hour is 15 plus time saved is 10 divided by standard time is 50 into hours worked is 40 into rate per hour is 15. So 40 into 15, 600, 10 divided by 50, 40 into 15, 600. So 10 divided by 50 into 600, if you have calculated, you will get 120. 600 plus 120, 720. See, this problem they have asked in the 2017 question paper for 14 marks. So from the following particulars, calculate the earnings under Stride piece rate system, Taylor's differential piece rate system, Halsey premium plan, Rowan premium plan. So weekly working hours, they will mention it as 48 hours. Piece rate per unit. Rate per unit will be 12 for per piece. Hourly rate of wages is 30. It means rate per hour will be 30. Normal time allowed per piece. It means for one piece they have mentioned, you need to calculate the standard time for all the production units by the worker. Normal output per week will be 240 pieces. Actual output of the worker per week is 300 pieces. Differential rate 80% of piece rate for output below the normal output. If the actual output is below the normal output, apply 80%. If the actual output is above the normal output, apply 120% of piece rate for output above the normal output. See, this is your 2017 question paper problem, 14 marks question. So first, you need to calculate the earnings under strike piece rate system. So earnings is equals to number of units produced into rate per unit. Number of units produced, it means actual output produced is 300 pieces. Piece rate per unit will be 12. So 300 into 12, you will get 3600. Then Taylor's differential piece rate system. The formula is earnings is equals to number of units produced into Differential rate per unit. Differential rate per unit is nothing but rate per unit into percentage of efficiency. Number of units produced is 300, rate per unit is 12, and you need to consider whether you have to apply 80% or 120%. Here, the actual output will be more than the normal output. 300 pieces will be more than the 240 pieces. That's why we will consider 120%. So 300 into 12 into 120%, if you have calculated, you will get 4,320. Next is Halsey bonus plan. Earnings is equals to number of hours worked into rate per hour plus half of time saved into rate per hour. So hours worked will be 48 hours. Rate per hour, hourly rate wages will be 30. Rate per hour is 30 plus half of time saved. You need to calculate the time saved. How you will calculate time saved? Standard time allowed minus time taken. So here the standard time allowed will be given only for one pieces. You need to calculate for the all the 300 pieces. Standard time allowed for one piece is 12 minutes. Calculate number of articles produced for 1 hour. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes divided by 12 minutes. You will produce 5 articles. So for 300 articles, what will be the time required? 300 articles divided by 5, you will get 60 hours. So standard time we have calculated as 60 hours minus time taken by the employee is 48. Time saved is 12. So 48 into 30 plus half of time saved is 12 into rate per hour is 30. 48 into 30 is 1440 plus 12 into 30. If you have calculated half of this, you will get 180. So 1440 plus 180, you will get 1620. Under Rowan plan, earnings is equals to number of hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved divided by standard time allowed into hours worked into rate per hour. Number of hours worked will be 48, rate per hour is 30 plus time saved is 12. Standard time we have calculated is 60 into hours worked will be 48 into rate per hour is 30. So 48 into 30, 1440 plus 12 divided by 60 calculate, and 48 into 30, 1440. 12 divided by 60 into 1440, if you have calculated, you will get 288. 1440 plus 288, you will get 1728. Thank you.